Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12 from Madani Qaida Izhar part 3. In this video we will learn about the rule of Izhar. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Izhar? What is Izhar rule? How Izhar rule will happen? If any halqa letter comes after Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. How Izhar will be happen, we will learn in this video. What is Sakina letter or silent letter? As we have learned that this sign called Jazm sign. Any letter which has this sign is called Sakina letter or silent letter. Any letter which has this sign on it is called Sakina letter or silent letter. How we pronounce the Sakina letter or silent letter? The Sakina letter or silent letter will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. How this happens we will learn in this video. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as follows. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has Sakin sign or Jazm sign or Sukoon sign. Here Noon is Sakin. Noon is Sakina letter. How many halqa letters are there? There are 6 halqa letters and they are Hamza ha, Ain ha, Ghain ha. There are 6 halqa letters Hamza ha, Ain ha, Ghain ha. How we pronounce halqa letters? Halqa letters we pronounce Hamza ha will be pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Ain ha pronounced from the middle part of the throat. And Ghain kha will be pronounced from the top part of the throat. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical or khadi harakat, the letters of leen, the letters of kalkala and the sakina letters. Let's start. Waw, noon, zabar 1, ha, ra, zabar ha, 1 har, 1 har. There is Izhar rule happening here because there is halqa letter ha comes after Noon Sakin. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has Jazm sign or Sukoon sign or Sakina sign. Recite like this: 1 har, 1 har. The next is fa zabar fa, sin zabar sa, fasa, ya noon pesh yun, fasayun, ghain zir ghi, fasayun ghi, dot waw pesh du, fasayunqidu, nun zabarna, fasayunghiduna, fasayunghiduna. Here izhar rule is happening because there is halkia letter ghain comes after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin letter, silent letter, because noon has jazm sign or sukoon sign or sakina sign, and there is dot from mustaliya letter will be pronounced with thicker voice or heavy voice in every condition, and there is pesh before waw sakin. This is waw madda, and madda letter we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: fasayunghiduna, fasayunghiduna. The next is waw lam zabar wal, mim noon pesh mun, wal mun, kha zabar kha, wal mun kha, noon zerni, wal mun khani, qaf zabar qa, wal mun khani qa, ta pesh tu, wal mun khaniqatu, wal mun khaniqatu, wal mun khaniqatu. Here izhar rule is happening here because there is halkia letter kha comes after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin because noon has sakin sign or jazm sign or sukoon sign. Recite like this: wal mun khaniqatu, and there is qaf from mustaliya letter will be pronounced with heavy voice or thicker voice in every condition. Recite like this: wal mun khaniqatu, wal mun khaniqatu. This is the lesson number 12, Izhar from Madani Qaida part 3. Inshallah in next videos we will learn more example of Izhar. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.